In front of me is Gigaset GX290, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and go to the settings. Here click on voicemail and select notifications. Go to the advanced options and click on sound. And right here you can select one from the following sounds, so let me start with default notification sound. Okay, so the device is muted, let me just volume it up. And then just pick the one that you like the most, tap on OK, and that's it. So that's how you can change notification sound in your GX290. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.